Hey guys, we got this campfire kettle, the original from Eagle Outdoors from Norway. We want to check it out. It's 1.5 liter. We're gonna check it out how long it takes to boil water on this kettle. So let's find out. It's got a copper base. That's for redemption, reduction. How do you call it? Um, that's good. Let's see how long it takes to boil. I did not put actually 1.5 liters into the kettle, but just full with water. It's a little bit windy outside, pretty windy I would say. We're on the coast and it's a little bit stormy. It's been rainy for a few days now, and while Europe is having a heat stroke, 30 plus, are we having here 60 degrees, 16, 15. Yeah, it's pretty stormy. Yeah. I go around the corner, looked at the windows. It's pretty stormy. Pretty stormy. Pretty stormy. See if we can take the lid off. It is something that they don't think about enough. When you got no fingernails. Well, I see there a little opening, so there can be put the lid grip. You can put it on lock. It's a little bit difficult with one hand, but there it is. And now slide it into that lot if it wants. It doesn't want to. Let's see. Got a little bit of problems with filming. Make sure that is going into the lot. Let's push it. Push it hard. Yes, that's it. Okay. So now it's in there. Now it's not bobbling anymore. So that's good. They did actually think about it. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Still going. Still going strong. Let me tell you a little bit more about this Eagle products. Eagle products from Norway. They have more camping equipment, tarps, cooking pots, yeah, everything. Actually everything. Designed and developed in Norway. So we got here, yeah, you can read it by yourself. Deluxe version of Outdoor Lovers. This is the original campfire kettle from Eagle Products, founded in 1946. A well-proven, solid and durable kettle made of the best available stainless steel. Copper-coated base to distribute heat efficiency. That was the word I was looking for in the beginning of the review. Distribute heat efficiency. So that's a little handy application on the kettle. Also looks nice. Well, let's see how far we buy this for 399 kronen. So that would be 39, yeah, 39 euro. Yeah, 39. Online it's a little bit cheaper, it's 30 euro. But you've got a nice stainless steel kettle. Let's see how far Mrs. Boily is. We got a little bit bubbly under the kettle, but I think it's not so hot. It's getting there. It's not cooking. Maybe I have to turn on the juice a little bit more. I think a jet boil is faster in heating a cup of water. 7 minutes. Well, it's actually not all the way up. Now it's all the way up. Now it's all the way up.